Hello and welcome to this episode of Packet Tracer. In this episode, we want to discuss a little bit about keyboard shortcuts in Packet Tracer. So the first keyboard key that we want to talk about is Alt, and if I press Alt, look at the menu bar and you can see that under each menu there is an underline. So for File I can use Alt and F. For Edit I can use Alt and E, and for one window I can use Alt and W, and that's how it works. We also have the Control key, which is very important. Using the Control key, for example, I press Control at the moment, then I press it on this device. Now I can create multiple devices of the same type at once. So instead of going to the device each time and select the device, I can create multiple instances of the device at once because I have used the Control key. Now I will press Escape, and Escape always uses as a cancel key. And actually Escape is the shortcut for the Select tool. So because we usually work with the Select tool in Packet Tracer, so Escape is very important to always bring us to the Select tool and cancel any other tool that we are working with. So now I'm pressing Escape. Now I am in the normal Select tool mode. Shift is also very important because using Shift you can select multiple devices at once. So as you can see that I have pressed Shift, and now I can select multiple devices at once, and I can delete all of them, for example, at once. Now all of the devices are deleted except this one, which was very stubborn. Now I will use the Escape key once again to return to the Select tool. And just like that, we have a lot of other shortcuts that you can always go to here, to the Help, to the Content, and this web page will appear for you. Let me show you the web page. And now you can go to here, Keyboard Shortcuts, and then you will be able to see all of the shortcuts that you might need during your work in Packet Tracer. That's it for this episode, everyone. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.